air conditioning leak, Volkswagen, but this could be any car. It's not just Volkswagen. So a receiver dryer and a high side pressure hose was replaced on this vehicle before, and it's been a couple months and there's no refrigerant in the system. I come out to test it. I use nitrogen. Right away I hear the hiss. It's leaking down. As you can see, it's falling down. The old hose was replaced because if you see way down there, you see that lower hose rubs against the rotating fan just a little bit. It's just like almost there. So they replaced a symptom of the problem. The problem is not the high side hose leaked. The problem is the fan rubs the hose. The problem is there was a small front end hit and the subframe, the core support of the radiator is pushed back just a little bit, enough to push the fan back into the hose. So replace hose, but don't notice that there's no clearance. I don't know how that happened. Don't notice there's no clearance between the fan, like less than a millimeter, and the high side hose. So after a period of months running, the engine torquing and the engine coming forward and rocking that hose into the lower part of the spinning fan, it ate a hole, it grooved a hole right through the new hose. Don't just fix the symptom of a problem, fix the problem. Just like compressors burning out. Compressors don't burn out. A compressor burning out is a symptom of a problem that caused it to burn out. That's it for this one. A quick note: look for the problem, not the symptom.